Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is my first wig review and I'm excited to bring this to you. I'm going to be reviewing this unit that I'm wearing. It's called Sister Wig. So hey sis, hey. And I'm really excited to give you guys this review. Alright guys, so this is the wig, the unit that I'm going to review today. It's actually called the Sister Wig. No, it's Sister Wig. Sister Wig. All right, sis. So when I say sis, because you're my sis, plus the wig is called Sister Wig. I got the honey blonde color. It is a synthetic wig, so you know, like literally shake and go wig. So when you have those busy days and you don't have time to do like a lot of work on an install for your wig, I would say this is an ideal wig. It's really nicely priced. This is how it comes packaged. So I'm going to take it out the package. I just kind of lift this thing off right here. Then, well, mesh thing off. All right, so this is the unit. She's nice. The color is vibrant, and it has one more tag on here that I'm gonna just cut off. Let me take it off real quick. All right, so this is the wig. I took the tag off. It has the adjustment at the bottom. You guys see on the inside at the bottom, just like, you know, any other wig. I have it on the very end on both sides, so I never really adjusted it. And I'm just gonna put it on. I like that it has a bang. So, you know, I typically like to get wigs with bangs. I don't always, but it's always a good idea. I believe, because it kind of does give you a better illusion that it's your hair as opposed to you seeing the tracks and so forth. It's not much that you really need to do to this wig. Like these curls, I just like separate them and just help to smooth them out, you know, smooth out each individual curls with my hand. So that's all I would do. I like how this side is already looking. I like how it's already separated, so it's not much for me to do to that side. This side I didn't really do much either. And when it comes on to wigs, I tend to do little to no manipulation, low manipulation, because this wig, I don't know if I told you guys, this wig is $25. So keep in mind that for $25, it's not top notch quality. So there will be shedding, but because of how I do my wigs, I get little to minimal shedding, especially when the wig comes curled. I don't comb through it. I just smooth it through. Over time, as you wear it, you may have to comb through it, but like I said, I do little to no manipulation. And the back, same thing. I like to separate these curls in the back as well to see if I could get a better style out of it. Doesn't require me curling it, so right. Then I'll just use my comb and just, like, you know, comb that section down. I won't do too much to the bang, but you can play around with the bang. I mean, I like it that way. I mean, that's really it. There's nothing else that I feel like I need to do to this wig. It's just so easy. There's literally nothing else that I need to do to this wig. Literally. I mean, how easy is this? It's like literally shake and go. Shake and go. But yeah, this is not a shake and go. This is sister wig. So this is what the back looks like. If you guys saw that. And yeah, I don't know, this didn't even take me 5 minutes. This didn't even take 5 minutes, and I can be out the door. I can be out the door already, right? Isn't that easy? Yeah, that's this wig. So let me give you some more deets on it if you like it and you want to get it. So sister wig, hey sis, hey, the dream, and this color that I have is Sombre RT 27/30. It also says DR-H apple on it as well. So it's right here. That right there is the back. Yeah, $26. I say you can't beat it. I haven't had any shedding since I've been doing this. Since I've been installing it, which I don't even consider to call this an install because it was so quick, but yeah, it really was a quick install. So this is where it reaches me. And yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. This was my first wig review video. I really hope you like it, found it to be very informative as to, like, you know, what tips you got from this video to help you to, you know, go out and buy a wig that's gonna be versatile for you, because this can go in different styles as well. Also, you know, like what style wigs you want to get that's gonna look more realistic, more natural, and, you know, last you a little bit longer than most other wigs. So like I said, typically my strategy is I love to go with bangs. That's one strategy I have, and low manipulation, because, you know, the shedding can be, you know, a lot because of the price. But if you're on a budget like myself and you want a wig that you just grab and go, this is a good wig, sis. Get this one. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. And I love you guys. Bye, guys.